In order to use the Z-Flash software, we first need to download it. You can do this by going to the Z-Flash product pages at ultrabrightlights.com. To find the software, go to the Z-Flash page for your vehicle. Then scroll down to the selection labeled Downloads and click on Software. Once it's downloaded, click on the file, and the Z-Flash Utility Setup Wizard will pop up. Hit Next. It then asks where you want to save the file. If you want to use the folder that is automatically created, just hit Next. Finally, hit Install to begin the installation process. Now wait for the program to install. You may receive a pop-up window instructing you to install certain drivers required to use the software. Agree and then install these drivers. Hit Finish on the pop-up to complete the installation process. To automatically launch the Z-Flash software, check the box here that says Launch Z-Flash Utility.